So my name is Sorcha and I am studying the Level 3 OCR Engineering course at UCM. I've been on this course for a while and I've enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoy going to college and I enjoy seeing all the people and all the work I do. I've always had an interest in it and I've enjoyed it. I did it in GCSE and I thought that it would be a really good career path to go down since I enjoy it, so I decided to join the course. I'm really enjoying the practical work of it, going down to Meadow on a Thursday. That's my favourite part. One of my lecturers, Savannah Gunnell, she's been here as a student but now teaches as a lecturer, and she's continuing on to teach all of us all the things she's learned, and I think it's really inspiring that she actually continues to love doing what she does. Don't be afraid, because it's not as scary as you think it is, and you'll really enjoy the whole course, and the teachers and lecturers are really kind. I'm looking to do the next level of this course, the Level 4 course. This is a 2-year course and that's also a 2-year course, but I'm looking forward to doing that hopefully. I'm looking at manufacturing because I enjoy working on the machines. We're learning other things like electrical work and I'm really enjoying that too. So I'm looking at manufacturing, but I'm open to other opportunities and possibilities.